In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best GTD Notion dashboard for your workflow. There isn't a single, best, GTD dashboard in Notion, and that's actually good news. It means you can pick a setup that matches how you think and work. If you want something robust, the GTD Dashboard template by Cozy Note is a strong choice. It includes a quick capture inbox so you can store ideas instantly, a clarify section built around a Kanban board to sort tasks, and focused spaces for projects, next actions, and a dedicated waiting for list. If you prefer organizing by priority and energy, the Iker Romero GTD Dashboard emphasizes exactly that. It gives you structured project overviews, a reference capture library, and a built-in weekly review system to keep everything current. If you're after simplified navigation, risproductive.com's GTD template uses the PAR approach, projects, areas, and resources, to keep project work and knowledge cleanly separated, plus it provides weekly and calendar views. And for true minimalists, Danny's GTD dashboard for simple life trims the interface down so you see only what matters, when it matters. No matter which template you try, look for a few essentials. A quick capture inbox should be friction-free so you can dump tasks without details and clarify them later. Next actions should live in a clear list or a Kanban board, ideally filterable by context or status such as do, delegate, or defer. Projects need a place to track outcomes and link directly to the next steps that move them forward. Areas and goals help you group work by life domains like work, personal, or health, connecting day-to-day tasks to long-term direction. A waiting for list ensures follow-ups don't slip. Finally, a repeatable review system, especially a weekly review, keeps your dashboard trustworthy and your priorities sharp. Choosing the right dashboard starts with your workflow. If you like detail and guided steps, start with Cozy Note's structure. If you plan by energy levels or want fewer clicks, try Iker Romero's or Danny's minimalist approach. Explore both free and paid options in the Notion marketplace. Premium templates sometimes bundle advanced views or integrations that save setup time. Most importantly, test and adapt. Begin with a template, then customize filters, properties, and views until it feels effortless. You can also build your own system from scratch using filtered task views, a Kanban board for next actions, and linked databases for projects and goals, as demonstrated in a popular tutorial. Start small, keep the inbox fast, and let your weekly review guide what to refine next.